Welcome to a Monday evening, everybody. I've got a lot to talk about with you folks over the next 3.5 minutes, so let's get right to it. It's fairly quiet out there in GR and vicinity right now. In the weather headlines, we have a chance of some light rain and light snow showers overnight from Grand Rapids southward. It might be enough to wet the pavement down. That's all you're going to be dealing with tomorrow morning. I think you'll be in good shape for the Tuesday morning commute. Heavier snow arrives in about another 24 hours and goes into Wednesday, especially south and east of Grand Rapids. And then Arctic cold returns for Thursday and Friday. We may see some accumulating lake effect snow on those days. We do have a winter storm watch posted for our entire area. It goes all the way over to the eastern part of the state. Now, the winter storm watch is posted by the National Weather Service. This will probably be upgraded or modified to a winter weather advisory tomorrow morning. Some of these northern counties, I think, frankly, may be removed because they're not going to see much snow there. The heaviest snow is going to be well south and east of Grand Rapids, along and south of I-94 and over to the Detroit area, where about 3 to 6 inches of snow may fall there. Much lighter amounts everywhere else. I'll show you my snowfall map here momentarily. Live Doppler radar, all the blue, maybe a flake or flurry, some light snow showers. The green, a drop of drizzle or some light rain showers. This may come up to Grand Rapids overnight, but this is really light stuff, enough to kind of wet the pavement down. So I'm not anticipating any problems for the morning commute tomorrow. The problem time will likely be on Wednesday morning. Our current temperatures are in the upper 30s to around the 40-degree mark. We pull out to a wider perspective. There's no real Arctic air on the map yet. You can almost see the beginnings of it there in Grand Forks, North Dakota. That's going to begin to come in here, but it won't get here. The Arctic air part of it won't get here for us until probably Thursday, and set up shop for Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. There's a fair amount of moisture down here. All that green is liquid precipitation, and as this big storm system moves into Ohio and West Virginia, we'll be on the northern fringe of it with the cooler air in place, and that's what's going to start the accumulating lake effect, or the accumulating snow, I should say, for us tomorrow, and then there'll be lake effect behind that. Tomorrow we look for mostly cloudy skies. I think a lot of the day may be dry, but I can't rule out a couple of light rain or snow showers. Temperatures in the upper 30s to around the 40-degree mark. Here's what it looks like. There's the parent storm, the low pressure system. Watch it move to the east into West Virginia. Not much going on for most of us tomorrow until we get into the late afternoon. Maybe some light rain or snow showers especially. And then as this system pulls away, we get right on the northern fringe of this system where snow sets up. This is at midnight tomorrow night. Notice this is clearly and persistently to the south and east of Grand Rapids. That continues throughout the day on Wednesday. This is Wednesday morning at 6 a.m. and then that will tend to taper off as we get into later in the day on Wednesday. Then the cold air will start to come in. That's the second punch of this. We'll probably see some lake effect snow set up as we get into Thursday and Friday, especially along and west of US 131. How much snow do we think will fall? We like to see consistency in computer forecast models as a meteorologist. If they're outputting the same thing, there's consistency there, and that's what we like to see. Here's one of our forecast models. Don't get caught up in the exact numbers. I don't care about that. What I want to share with you folks is, look at this. Much lighter snowfall totals up here. Much heavier down here, 4, 5, 6 inches. This is one forecast model. Let me show you another one. Again, we're looking for consistency here. Same type thing. And if you've been watching us for the last few days, or you've heard other media talk about the snow, this has been trending further south and east. If that low pressure system goes further south and east, it may pull all of this right out of our area. If it backs up a little further north and west, it may shove this back a little bit. But the trend has been to shove this further south and east. So again, lighter amounts, less than an inch north and west of Grand Rapids, around here, 4, 5, 6 inches over to the Detroit area. That's how we think this will play out. That's what it looks like right now. The areas in pink here, Coldwater, Battle Creek, Ann Arbor, Detroit, 4 to 6 inches there, about 2 to 4 inches in blue, and from Grand Rapids, Holland, Muskegon, Greenville, only about an inch or two. And that's why I say these counties here may not be under any advisory or watch tomorrow, because it's just very light stuff for them. So that's where we're going with the forecast. We believe the heaviest will be well south and east of the Grand Rapids metro area in those locations in pink. 39 degrees tomorrow. A lot of tomorrow will be on the quiet side, maybe light rain showers, snow showers, but the snow really doesn't pick up until after dark, I believe, tomorrow. And then that goes into the day on Wednesday, breezy, 34 there. Then the Arctic air comes in, 25 on Thursday, windy conditions and likely some lake effect snow showers along and west of US 131. That goes into Friday, and then we finally start to climb back above the freezing mark as we get into the beginning of next week. If you want to look at any of these graphics I just showed, or want to spend a little more time, get a better idea of what's going on, you go to fox17online.com. I've got a complete story posted there, guys.
Look for that.